Hello Year 5! Today in Maths we are going to be revising short division but with remainders today. But first of all, let's have a look at our Florentine 5. Today's number is 82. Add 10, subtract 10, multiply by 10, multiply by 100, divide by 10, divide by 100, double it, halve it. Write your answers down on a piece of paper and pause the video while you have time to work them out. Then we will go through the answers. Well done. Let's go through the answers. 82 add 10 equals 92. 82 subtract 10 is 72. 82 multiplied by 10 equals 820. 82 multiplied by 100 is 8,200. 82 divided by 10 is 8.2. 82 divided by 100 is 0.82. Double 82 is 164. And half of 82 is 41. Did you get all those right? Well done. Right, coming on to today's learning then. Today we are going to practice dividing using the bus stop method, but with remainders. So, our first question is 369 divided by 6. The first thing I will do is write it out in a bus stop. 369 goes in my bus stop, and the number I am dividing by has gone on the outside. First of all, I am going to look at how many 6's go into 3. 6 cannot go into 3, or 300. So, I am going to write 0 above my line, and I will exchange my 300s for 30 10s and put a small 3 to represent this next to my 6 in the next column. So now, how many 6's go into 36 10s? I'm going to count using my fingers if I need to. So count with me. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. 6 goes into 36 6 times. So I'll place that above the line as shown on the screen. Right, now how many 6's go into 9? 6. 6 goes into 9 one time, but not exactly. 6 goes into 9 once, but there are 3 left over. So I am going to write that as remainder 3 or R3. This is how our learning is going to look today. Let's do another example. $365 divided by 7. My first job will be to write my 365 divided by 7 as short division, just like this. Let's see how many 7's go into 3. 7 can't go into 3. So I am going to exchange my 300s for 30 10s, and I'm going to write it just like this, putting a small 3 next to my 6 in the next column. So now, how many 7's go into 36? Or what is 36 divided by 7? Let's count together. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. I'm going to stop there. 7 goes into 36 5 times, with 1 left over. That 110 that I have left over, I'm going to move on to the next column of my 1's. I now have 15 1's. So how many 7's go into 15? 7, 14. 7 goes into 15 2 times, with 1 left over. So I will write 2 above above the line, remainder 1. So my answer for 365 divided by 7 is 52, remainder 1. Right, let's try one more. 154 divided by 3. I've written it on my bus stop. Now let's have a look. How many times does 3 go into 1? 3 can't go into 1. So I'm going to put a 0 above my line and exchange my 100 for 10 tens. I now have 15 tens. So how many 3s go into 15 tens? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 3 goes into 15 tens 5 times. So I will put my 5 above the line just like this. Right, now what's our next step? Yes, well done. How many 3s go into 4? How many 3s go into 4? Let's see. 3. 3 goes into 4 once, with 1 left over. So we will write 1 above the line, remainder 1. So 154 divided by 3 is 51, remainder 1. So you've done amazingly at that. Let's try a challenge question. There are 349 people at a wedding. They are sitting at tables in groups of 8. How many tables are there? What do we think we need to do? Yes, well done. We need to do 349 divided by 8, which we can write like this. So, how many 8s go into 3? 8 can't go into 3, so we will put a 0 above our line and exchange our 300s for 30 tens and put our 3 next to our 4 to make 34 tens. Right, now how many 8s go into 34? 8, 16, 24, 32. Yes, 8 goes into 34 4 times. But 8 multiplied by 4 is 32, and the number we have got is 34. That means there are 2 left over, which we need to now put on our ones. Those 2 tens become 29. Now, how many 8s go into 29? 8, 16, 24. 8 goes into 29 3 times, with 5 left over. So I'm going to write that as R5, remainder 5. Looking back then, the question says there are 349 people at a wedding. They are sitting at tables in group of 8. How many tables are needed? I know, we need 43 tables. Have a think. You might want to pause the video and have a little think about whether 43 tables is the right answer. Well done. Have you had a think? Do you think 43 tables is the right answer? Good spot, everybody. Remainder 5 means 5 people. You'll need 43 tables of 8 people, but there are 5 people that are still left without a table. Where are they going to sit? So actually, we will need an extra table, which means that we will in fact need 44 tables to seat everybody at the wedding. Well done if you spotted that. That was a really challenging question. So now it's time to go over to Purple Mash and access today's learning. Try and apply everything that we have talked about over the last few days. I will look forward to seeing all your fabulous learning online, and I will see you for Friday's learning tomorrow. Bye for now.